Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Sri Lankan idyappam mix. So first you need some idyappam, then you need 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a couple tablespoons of oil. And then you need 1 egg with all the spices you like. Then half a cup of carrots, 1 white onion, 3 red dry chilies, half a cup of green chilies, and half a cup of green onions. So let's show you how we make it. First you take your oil and put it into your pan. Now you put your eggs and make it into scrambled eggs. Now you take your egg out and put it into a bowl. After you took out most of your eggs, you could add more oil. Now you take your fennel seeds and put them in. And mix that for a little bit. Now you add your onion and your red dry chili. And mix that for a little bit. Make sure you let it cook for about 5 minutes. After you fully mixed it, you have to add the rest of your vegetables. So your green onions, green chilies, and carrots. And mix that for also 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add all your spices, such as salt, pepper, and chili flakes. And now you just mix that for a little bit. Now you add your egg that we already cooked. And mix that. Now you have to make your idyappam into small pieces and add it into your mixture of vegetables. And mix that. Now that everything is mixed, you put it onto a plate and serve it. So this is your final result. This is the idyappam mix, and whatever curry you have, you could eat it with. In this case, we have fish curry. You could also eat it with a side of chicken nuggets and fries. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!